Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 7D from chapter Ratio and Proportion. So coming to question number 21. Using componendo and dividendo, find the value of x. Root of 3x plus 4 plus root of 3x minus 5 upon root of 3x plus 4 minus root of 3x minus 5 is equal to 9. This is the given and we have to use componendo and dividendo and find the value of x. Okay, very easy. In case they have not even mentioned that which property you have to use, how will you find out? Check the first term should be same, so यहाँ पे same है, root of 3x plus 4. Check the second term, 3x minus 5, root of 3x minus 5, root of 3x minus 5, second term is also same. The signs between them should be opposite, plus and minus, so you will use componendo dividendo. Okay, componendo dividendo, by that it will be numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator simultaneously in LHS also and RHS also. So this is the numerator, this is the denominator. Numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Same thing in RHS. Now RHS में no denominator is given. So when no denominator is given, what is the denominator? 1. Okay, so 9 will be 9 upon 1. So first you will write down the given information, then next step may write 9 as 9 upon 1. Okay, now we'll apply componendo dividendo. So by componendo dividendo, I'm not writing the full thing. Okay, write down the full thing. By componendo dividendo, numerator put brackets. Okay, this is the numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Same thing over here, numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. Opening the brackets now, root of 3x plus 4 plus root of 3x minus 5 plus root of 3x plus 4 minus root of 3x minus 5 upon root of 3x plus 4 plus root of 3x minus 5. Now the signs will change. Minus root of 3x plus 4 and minus into minus gives plus root of 3x minus 5. 9 plus 1 10 and 9 minus 1 8. So 2 4s are 2 5s are. Okay, your 3x minus 5 cancel हो जाएगा, your 3x plus 4. So we are left with root of 3x plus 4 plus root of 3x plus 4. That gives 2 root of 3x plus 4. Okay, if you have root 2 plus root 2, it becomes 2 root 2. Same logic over here. Okay, same thing in denominator, root of 3x minus 5 plus root of 3x minus 5. So 2 root of 3x minus 5 and here we have 5 upon 4. 2 cancel हो जाएगा. Okay, so we are left with root of 3x plus 4 upon root of 3x minus 5 equal to 5 upon 4. Okay, now we need to find x का value and we have root over here. So we need to remove the root. For that we'll square. Okay, so we'll square on both the sides simultaneously. Okay, so when you square, numerator भी square हो जाएगा, denominator भी square हो जाएगा. Same thing over here. Entire numerator denominator, it will get squared. Okay, so squaring on both the sides. You have to write down the statement, you have to give the reason. Okay, so root of 3x plus 4, the whole thing ka square. Okay, you cannot take the square inside because there is plus sign in between. So whenever there is plus or minus sign inside the root, the square will not be applied to it. Okay, be it square, cube, whatever. So whole thing ka square ho jayega. Same thing in denominator, root of 3x minus 5, the whole thing का square, your 5 का square, 4 का square. Okay, So square root and square sort of cancel each other, so you are left with 3x plus 4. Same thing over here, 3x minus 5. Okay, over here 5 का square 25 and 4 का square is 16. Now we'll cross multiply. Okay, so 16 into 3x plus 4 is equal to 25 into 3x minus 5. 16 3s are 48x, 16 4s are 64, 25 3s are 75x minus 25 5s are 125. Okay, let's group x together and numbers together. Okay, so let's shift 48x over here, 75 को as it is रखते हैं, so 48x becomes negative, and 64 as it is we will shift 125 over here, so it becomes positive. Okay, so we'll get 189 equal to, over here 75 minus 48, so 27x हो जाएगा, right? So 189 divided by 27 is equal to x. So 27 into how much will give me 189? 27 into 7, we'll check that only. Okay, so always check the last digits. यहाँ पे 7 है, यहाँ पे 9 है, so 7 into how much in 7 का table, when will I get 9 in the end? Okay, so 7 7s are 49. Okay, so that is why we are multiplying 27 with 7 to check if we are getting 189. So 7 7s are 49. Okay, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18. So 7 is equal to x, that is x is equal to 7. Box this. Okay, let's read the next question. Question number 22. If x is equal to square root of a plus 1 plus square root of a minus 1 upon square root of a plus 1 minus square root of a minus 1, using properties of proportion, show that x square minus 2ax plus 1 is equal to 0. Very easy. You are given this. Okay, let us write down the given first. So x is equal to root of a plus 1 plus root of a minus 1 upon root of a plus 1 minus root of a minus 1. Property use करना है. Which property you will use? It's easy. Check the terms. Same terms. यहाँ पे भी same terms. Check the signs between plus and minus. So which property? Componendo dividendo. Whenever you have same two terms and the signs between them are opposite, componendo dividendo. Okay, so we will apply componendo dividendo. This will be the entire numerator, this will be the entire denominator. So numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Same thing in LHS. LHS में we are given only numerator, no denominator is there. When no denominator is given, it is 1. So denominator here is 1. Let us apply componendo dividendo. So by componendo dividendo, I am not writing down the full thing, you have to write down. Okay, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator is equal to numerator, put brackets, plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Okay, now we'll open the brackets. LHS will remain as it is, nothing to simplify. Okay, just put brackets. Opening the brackets, root of a plus 1 plus root of a minus 1 plus root of a plus 1 minus root of a minus 1 upon root of a plus 1 plus root of a minus 1. यहाँ से साइंस चेंज होगा, this will become negative. Okay, and this negative into negative gives positive root of a minus 1. So a plus 1 यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो गया, a minus 1, a minus 1. So x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to root of a plus 1 plus root of a plus 1. That will give me 2 root of a plus 1. Okay, use the logic like there is root 2 plus root 2, so that will give me 2 root 2, or consider it as x plus x, so you will get 2x. Okay, so instead of x there is root. Same thing in denominator, 2 root of a minus 1 हो जाएगा, 2 cancel हो जाएगा. So you have x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to root of a plus 1 upon root of a minus 1. Check the to prove part. There is no root. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to square this. So when you square, the root will vanish. Square and square root cancel out each other. So this root will go away and you are left with a plus 1. यहाँ पे भी root will go away and you are left with a minus 1. Over here, this entire thing will be squared, this entire thing will be squared. Okay, square applies to the entire term, entire polynomial जो भी present है. Okay, so entire LHS gets squared, entire RHS will get squared. So squaring on both the sides, you have to give reason. Squaring on both the sides, so x plus 1 the whole का square, you cannot write it as x square plus 1 का square. No, there is plus or minus sign in between, then you have to square or cube or whatever power you are applying to the entire thing. Power पूरा जितना भी LHS है उसको अप्लाई हो जाएगा. Okay, so squaring, same thing over here. Okay, you cannot write it as x square minus 1 square. No, that is wrong. Over here, root of a plus 1 the whole thing का square and root of a minus 1 the whole thing का square. Square and square root will cancel out, so ultimately you are left with a plus 1 and a minus 1. Here we have a plus b the whole का square, a minus b the whole का square. So you need to apply identity, you have to give reason. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so it will be x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square upon x square minus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, यहाँ पे a plus 1 upon a minus 1, and here you have to give the reason. A plus b the whole का square, a minus b the whole का square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to a plus 1 upon a minus 1. Put brackets. Now we'll cross multiply. Okay, so a minus 1 into x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to a plus 1 into x square minus 2x plus 1. So a into the entire bracket minus 1 into the entire bracket. All right, same thing यहाँ पे a into entire bracket plus 1 into the entire bracket. So ax square plus 2ax, write it in alphabetical order. ठीक है, a comes first then x, so I have written it as 2ax plus a minus, signs will change over here, यहाँ पे minus है, all are positive, all will become negative. So 1 into x square minus 1 into 2x 2x, 1 into 1 1, ax square minus 2ax, again writing in alphabetical order, plus a plus x square minus 2x plus 1. Let's see if anything is getting cancelled. Minus 2x minus 2x. Okay, check the signs, don't make the mistake. Opposite signs होगा तो cancel नहीं होगा. These are opposite signs. plus a cancel हो जाएगा. Okay, so we are left with 2ax minus x square minus 1 equal to minus 2ax plus x square plus 1. Alright, so what we'll do, let us shift all the terms on one side. Okay, so let's check. x square यहाँ पे positive है, so we'll try to keep x square positive. So ये positive है, ये negative है, negative वाले को यहाँ पे shift करते हैं, it will become positive. So we'll shift all the terms over here. Okay, observe the to prove part. What are the positive terms? Any one you consider. So x square is positive, so let's shift the negative one over here. So we'll shift all the terms over here. So यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं रहेगा, 0. These terms will remain as it is. Shifting these, minus 2ax plus x square plus 1. The signs will change. So x square plus x square gives 2x square, and minus 2ax will give minus 4ax, and 1 plus 1 gives 2. Okay, so all the terms over here in RHS are divisible by 2. I can divide each of them by 2. So let's divide by 2 throughout. So give reason, dividing by 2 throughout. So dividing by 2 throughout, 2 cancel हो गया, 1 2 2 जा, यहाँ पे 2 cancel हो गया, 0/2 is 0. So x square minus 2ax plus 1 is equal to 0. Just switch the sides, you got the to prove part. मिल गया, ठीक है. x square minus 2ax plus 1 is equal to 0. So just switch it once and after that write down hence proved. Next question, question number 23. Given x cube plus 12x upon 6x square plus 8 is equal to y cube plus 27y upon 9y square plus 27, using componendo and dividendo find x is to y. In case you are not told which property to use, how will you come to know? See students, most cases में we do use componendo and dividendo only. Okay, so over here you can see numerator denominator both have positive signs and the terms are also different. So how will you come to know? Check if you have perfect cube. Perfect cube होना चाहिए, one in numerator, one in denominator on both the sides. So x cube is a perfect cube. Okay, denominator में check करते हैं, this is not a perfect cube. Check 8. 8 is a perfect cube. 8 is 2 का cube. 2 into 2 into 2 gives me 8. So I should have one perfect cube in numerator, one perfect cube in denominator. So I have that. Let's check in RHS. Y cube is a perfect cube. Okay, denominator में 27 is a perfect cube. It is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube is 27. Okay, so I have perfect cubes over here also. So whenever you have two perfect cubes on both the sides, which property? Componendo dividendo. And which identity? A plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. These are the identities you are supposed to use. Okay, because this will give you a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and here same terms. Okay, terms are same, the signs will change, plus minus, simple. So you're just supposed to remember these two identities. Cube दिख रहा है तो ये formula apply हो जाएगा. Okay, now you are given in this form. You will get both the sides LHS and RHS in this form. Okay, ये form में मिलेगा हम लोग को. Numerator will be in this form, denominator will be in this form. Let's check by applying componendo dividendo. So write down the given first. X cube plus 12x upon 6x square plus 8 is equal to y cube plus 27y upon 9y square plus 27. Okay. Now applying componendo dividendo. By componendo dividendo, you'll write down the full thing. I'm not writing it down. Numerator plus denominator. So x cube plus 12x plus 6x square plus 8 upon numerator minus denominator. Okay, put brackets because the signs will change. Alright. Same thing in RHS. Y cube plus 27y plus 9y square plus 27. So numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So now opening the brackets on both the sides. X cube plus 12x plus 6x square plus 8 upon x cube plus 12x minus 6x square minus 8. यहाँ पे y cube plus 27y plus 9y square plus 27 upon y cube plus 27y minus 9y square minus 27. So denominator में you have to be careful because minus sign है, so on opening the brackets the signs will change. Okay. Now over here check if you are getting in that form. Okay, यही फॉर्म में मिलना चाहिए, आइडेंटिटी के फॉर्म में मिलेगा. So instead of a we have x. Okay, instead of a we have x and instead of b we have 8 है. यहाँ पे b क्यूब की जगह पे 8 है, b क्यूब नॉट b but b क्यूब की जगह पे 8 है. So what will be b? b will be 2. 2 का क्यूब is 8. So okay, so x is in place of a and 2 is in place of b. Now let us make substitutions over here. So what should we get? 3 into a की जगह पे क्या है? x है. So x square into b is what? b is 2. So you should get 3 into 2 6x square. Okay, do we have 6x square? Yes. Not rightly placed but है. Next term 3 into a is what? x and b is 2. So 2 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, b स्क्वायर है, so 2 का स्क्वायर that will give me 4. So into 4. So 3 4s are 12. 12x. I do have 12x. The only thing is these two are not in correct places. So rearrange the terms. Let us rearrange. So x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. Now this is of the form a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. यही फॉर्म में है. ओके, सेम थिंग यहाँ पे, ओनली द साइंस विल चेंज, ऑपोजिट, प्लस माइनस. सो एक्स क्यूब माइनस 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 12x माइनस 8. सो इन दिस फॉर्म. ठीक है, सेम थिंग इन RHS. सो y क्यूब प्लस 9y स्क्वायर plus 27y plus 27. Here you can cross check for yourself. Okay, I'm not showing this students. You should be thorough with identities. A की जगह पे y है and instead of b there is 3 का cube. Okay, and you can cross check the terms in between. All right. So y cube minus 9y square plus 27y minus 27. So we'll rewrite this in proper identity form. So it will be x cube plus 3a square b होता है. So 3 into x square into, instead of b we have 2. Okay, plus 3ab square. So 3ab square plus b cube. So 2 cube upon over here x cube minus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square plus 2 cube. Okay, so we have it in proper identity form. Okay, दोनों identities देख लो एक बार. Same thing in RHS. Okay, RHS में same हो जाएगा. So express that also. So it is equal to your y cube plus 3a square b. So a square b is 3 plus 3a b square plus b cube upon every term I have split and expressed in identity form. Same thing denominator में signs will be opposite, positive, negative, positive, negative. हो गया. Now you can write it as a plus b the whole cube. So x plus 2 the whole cube upon x minus है यहाँ पे, sorry this should be minus, I made a mistake, please don't make this mistake in exam. Okay, so steps का marks रहता है. Alright, so it will be a minus b the whole cube, so x minus 2 the whole cube. Alright, over here y plus 3 the whole cube upon y minus 3 the whole cube. Alright, so I have cube, 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 cube. I can take cube root on both the sides, so all the cubes will go away. So taking cube root on both the sides, write down taking cube root on both the sides. You have to give reason. So when you take cube root, you will get x plus 2 upon x minus 2 is equal to y plus 3 upon y minus 3. ठीक है, so x plus 2 upon x minus 2 is equal to y plus 3 upon y minus 3. Okay, so now again I can apply componendo dividendo. Okay, you can cross multiply, but instead of that I'll suggest componendo dividendo use कर लो, use property. Okay, so by componendo dividendo, again you will write down the full thing, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. How will you come to know वापस componendo dividendo apply करना है? Check the terms, same, signs opposite, so both the conditions are applied. Same thing over here, so apply componendo dividendo. It is still not simplified, we need to find x is to y, that is x upon y. ठीक है, so RHS में भी numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Opening the brackets now, x plus 2 plus x minus 2 upon x plus 2. Here the signs will change, minus x and minus into minus gives plus 2. ठीक है, यहाँ पे y plus 3 plus y minus 3 and here y plus 3, again the signs will change, minus y plus 3. Okay, so 2 minus 2 minus x plus x, your 3 and minus 3 minus y plus y, these will get cancelled. X plus x gives 2x, 2 plus 2 gives 4, your y plus y 2y and 3 plus 3 gives 6. So 2 2s are 2, 3s are, so x upon 2 is equal to y upon 3. We need x upon y, so let's shift y over here and 2 over here. Okay, x and y on one side and numbers on the other side, so we'll shift y over here and 2 over here. So basically we are changing second and third quantities, first, second, third, fourth proportion में है. Okay, so first upon second is equal to third upon fourth. Second and third when we are interchanging, it is alternando. Okay, so by alternando x upon y is equal to 2 upon 3. Okay, so we found the value. Next line पे write down x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3 because they have asked in this format. is to में पूछा है, so write it in that form only. Okay, and box this. Coming to next question, question number 24. If x upon a is equal to y upon b is equal to z upon c, show that x cube upon a cube plus y cube upon b cube plus z cube upon c cube is equal to 3xyz upon abc. You are given that three ratios are equal, that is they are in proportion. Normally we are given two ratios. So students, whenever you are given three ratios or four ratios, simple, which method you will use? K method. Okay, K method use करना है. So all the three ratios we will take it equal to K. ठीक है? So let's apply the K method. So write down the given first. X upon a is equal to y upon b is equal to z upon c. So let x upon a equal to y upon b equal to z upon c be equal to k. So each ratio is equal to k. Okay. So therefore x upon a is equal to k, y upon b is equal to k, z upon c is equal to k. So we have x is equal to ak, y is equal to bk, z is equal to ck. Very easy. So wherever we have x, y and z, we will substitute ak, bk, ck respectively. ठीक है? So we will start with LHS first. Okay. So let's consider the LHS. X cube upon a cube plus y cube upon b cube plus z cube upon c cube. Right? So x is ak, so ak cube है, so put brackets and cube upon a cube. Y cube, so bk का cube upon b cube. Z is ck, so ck का cube upon c cube. So here we will cube both these, so a cube k cube upon a cube, b cube k cube upon b cube plus c cube k cube upon c cube, a cube b cube b cube c cube c cube. Cancel हो गया. Okay, so we are left with k cube plus k cube plus k cube. So what is k cube plus k cube plus k cube? 3k cube. It is like k plus k. So that will give me 3k. Same thing, k cube plus k cube plus k cube, that gives me 3k cube. You'll write this on next line. Okay. So mark this as 1. Now let's check RHS. You should get same. ठीक है? तो ही equal होगा. So 3xyz upon abc. So x is ak, y is bk, z is ck upon abc. Okay. So into sign है, सब जगह पे बीच में into sign है. There is no plus or minus sign, so I can cancel out a, b, b, c, c. So we are left with 3 into k into k into k. And nothing in denominator. Okay. So 3k cube. Mark this as 2. From 1 and 2 you can say LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Give reason from 1 and 2. Okay. After this you will write down the entire LHS and RHS. So पूरा LHS लिखो, RHS लिखो. So this is equal to this, and after that hence proved. Okay.